With a footprint in all AU member states, the results achieved by the African Union Development Agency highlight that the agency is efficient, agile, and committed to attain Africa's Agenda 2063. 2020 brought the worldwide COVID-19 pandemic, a massive test for all. And AUDA-NEPAD responded to the COVID-19 health crisis quickly and efficiently, with programs and resources redirected to deal with the emergency to save lives. It also dealt with the socio-economic impact of COVID-19, regionally, nationally, and on a community level to save livelihoods. The agency's new program of work to cover the effects of the pandemic is three-pronged. The plan focused on health systems, building capacity in the pharmaceutical and manufacturing sector, improving access to essential healthcare services, strengthening economic recovery through interventions aimed at enhancing infrastructure development, trade, markets, and productivity-enhancing innovations, solidifying food systems by increasing agricultural and food productivity to ensure food and nutrition security. Signature health solutions were designed. At the start of the pandemic, AUDA-NEPAD contributed $1 million. It worked directly with the Africa CDC to train 2,000 healthcare and port of entry staff on COVID-19 testing and screening. The Pandemic Resilience Accelerator is a new signature solution. It upscales African homegrown solutions to improve healthcare capacity and reduce the reliance on external medical supplies. In Kenya, AUDA-NEPAD supports the ReVital Healthcare manufacturer. Over 40 medical devices are being produced to distribute to Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda, Burundi, and 12 other countries. This contributes meaningfully to building pandemic resilience, both during the immediate COVID-19 crisis and in the longer term. AUDA-NEPAD is working with Mezzanine and Vodacom to deploy a state-of-the-art vaccine management platform across all AU member states. This follows the successful rollout to manage COVID-19 vaccinations in South Africa and manage baby inoculations in Mozambique, Tanzania, and Nigeria. The Vaccination digital solution directly tackles logistic issues. It tracks the administration of vaccines at clinics and vaccine stock levels. This optimizes the supply chain. To date, the digital infrastructure has supported 9 million COVID-19 vaccinations in South Africa. At the continental level, AUDA also pushed forward to accelerate the establishment of Continental Africa Medicines Agency. This is to enhance the capacity of countries to regulate medical products and ensure access to safe and efficacious medication for Africa's people. The economic recovery. Moving into the second phase of the Continental Programme for Infrastructure Development in Africa, PIDA, AUDA-NEPAD placed a prime focus on the implementation of 69 cross-border priority action projects. These are 28 transport projects, 18 energy projects, 12 water projects, and 11 ICT projects. These new projects will accelerate regional integration while ensuring inclusiveness and sustainability with regards to gender, rural connectivity, and environment. AUDA-NEPAD also supports governments to increase access to climate-smart and cost-effective energy. In Sierra Leone, AUDA constructed a 100-kilowatt solar power PV generating solution to drive access to clean water for livestock and domestic consumption. This climate-smart technology guarantees solar-powered safe drinking water to more than 1,500 homes. This also supports the community hospital and university to deliver essential healthcare services. Micro, small, and medium-sized enterprises were also badly affected by the pandemic. AUDA-NEPAD trained more than 18,000 MSMEs from 33 countries on business and entrepreneurship skills as well as financing. Food systems. The African Forest Landscape Restoration Initiative sees AUDA-NEPAD working closely with countries to restore 100 million hectares of land by 2030. The commitments made so far have surpassed the 100 million hectare mark. More than 128 million hectares of land has been committed by African countries. The Nigerian government committed to restore 4 million hectares of land. It's working with the AUDA-NEPAD to improve agricultural productivity by strengthening smallholder farmers. The solar-powered food system is helping farmers to increase their agricultural yield and reduce post-harvest losses. At the continental level, the agency is providing technical leadership to formulate Africa's common position for transforming food systems on the continent. This is in line with Agenda 2063. In partnership with the African Union Commission, AUDA-NEPAD is tracking progress made along the goals and targets of Agenda 2063. This is to strengthen accountability and peer learning and fast-track implementation. Over 44 AU member states have submitted their country progress reports, underscoring Africa's determination to realize its 50-year development blueprint. It is clear, Africa and its partners have the will and the resolve to mobilize the requisite means and tools to collectively fight COVID-19. The lessons from the fight against the pandemic will enable Africa to build more inclusive, equitable, and sustainable economies. The African Union Development Agency-NEPAD remains committed to providing the necessary support in these unprecedented times to attain the goals and targets of Agenda 2063, the Africa we want.